Ready to bypass the bidding wars and hire top talent directly on Upwork with a direct contract? Start by navigating to your messages with the client you want to hire. Then, look for the plus icon located next to the message box. Click on it. A menu will pop up. Choose the option that says Send a Direct Contract. This will open the direct contract creation window. Here you will need to fill in all the necessary details, including the job title, a clear and concise scope of work so your client understands what's expected, and, most importantly, the payment milestones. When adding payment milestones, be specific. Write a clear description of what needs to be delivered for each milestone. Set a realistic due date, and specify the exact amount to be paid upon completion. Once you've filled in all the information and double-checked everything for accuracy, seriously, double-check it. Scroll down and click the Submit Contract button. Your client will then receive the contract for review and acceptance.